We're excited to announce the new release of our Snell Apartments at Murray Halberg Retirement Village in Lynfield. Join this vibrant village between Hillsborough and Blockhouse Bay, which enjoys some spectacular views out to the Manukau Heads. The new apartments are 2 or 3 bedrooms, and you can choose between different layouts and configurations. They're light-filled and generous-sized with stylish appliances, accent lighting, and each has their own patio or balcony. There's a separate toilet or bathroom for guests with call buttons through the apartment should you need them. And of course, they are double glazed for peace and quiet. So come in and experience these beautiful new Snell Apartments for yourself, or check out our website for more information.